In this video, we are going to see how we can claim the pending Robux in Roblox and how we can receive the Robux that is sent by someone directly or you collected it from the Please Donate game. Here's how you can find it and claim it into your Robux credits on Roblox. So if someone has already sent you the Robux, whether from the Please Donate game or directly, and you haven't received it here, here's what you need to do. So what we simply need to do is we head over to the roblox.com and sign in with your ID. Make sure this is a receiver account, which is waiting for the Robux to be received. So once you log in, you click on this Robux currency icon and you basically find it in the My Transactions option. Even if it shows 0, don't worry. It will be shown in the pending Robux. So as you can see, after some time, I'll receive 6 in my account. So whenever someone sends you the Robux, Roblox will held this for a few days. As you can see, the pending Robux are not included in your total until release, which could take a few days. So it puts a hold and then release after some time. It can take a few days as well to receive the Robux. So you don't need to basically do anything in order to receive that. You just have to wait for some time. So if you want to see how you receive this pending Robux, which is shown here, you can click on sale of goods and it will show you whether you have sold some passes or you have received via purchases that you purchased directly. So it will show you the complete details of it. So what we basically do is to estimate when will you receive it. You just check the date, and if you see the amount of Robux and next to it is the clock which shows pending sale, all you have to do is just add a week to the date that it was sent, and by that time you should be receiving your Roblox. So approximately you have to take a margin of like 1 week. So that is how you can claim the pending Robux on Roblox. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.